Hello editors, today I'm going to show you the most requested tutorial ever, the Woodl style text, the biggest viral text right now on all social medias, mostly TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. And in this video, I'm going to teach you 4 ways how to make this text by yourself in CapCut for your edits so you don't flop again and go insanely viral. Like and subscribe to support my work and so more people can see this. So add a new text layer where the character starts talking. Change font to Arial Bold, which you can download from my Discord server. Link in the description. Now adjust these settings. For shadows, there are many variants. Someone's putting the blur to 100, 80, 50, 32. Well, you can choose which one you want, or you can simply copy my settings. Go to Basics and edit the scale so it's not too small and not too big. And by the way, at the end I'm going to show you the glow settings for the text. Anyways, don't forget to make space for fade out animation. Add 2 keyframes at the beginning and at the end of the text layer. And now, if you want to zoom in, at the second keyframe scale it by 10. For zoom out, do the opposite. So scale it by 10 at the first keyframe. For graphs, pick one of these. Easy in, easy out, or quad out. I'm mostly applying out graphs. Then add type 2 in animation and make it as long as the character talks. For fade out animation, try to make it longer than 0.4 seconds, so it's smooth and not quick. Tip for you guys, if the text layer is really short, like under 0.6 second, then don't use type 2 in animation, because it's gonna look quick and bad. And the most important thing in Woodl text is smoothness. This also applies to the keyframes. If the text is really short, don't scale it by 10, but less, so like 5 or 3. Lots of explaining, but now it's gonna be easier. Now I'm gonna present you how to do this 2 text layers connected with type 2 animations. And it's actually nothing hard. First text you will do, how I just showed you. But instead of adding fade out animation, you will use type 2 out animation. Then attaching second text layer somewhere in the first text layer where type 2 out animation takes place. Type 2 in animation for the second text layer, and then fade out animation for the second text layer. And for keyframes, do it as I do. Okay, for next type of Woodl text, it's going to be word by word faded in. Here's preview. All you gotta do is create a new text layer. Add keyframes and animations. To be more specific, fade in and fade out animations. Change the length of fade in to 0.3 or 0.4 seconds and fade out, as I said, more than 0.5 seconds. One text layer stands for one word from the sentence, so copy the text layer as many times as needed. For me, it's going to be only one. Now we are going to make words disappear. Go to the first text and select words beside the one we want to show up. Set opacity to 0 and shadow opacity to 0 as well. For second text, split it where the character is going to say the other word. Click on the second text layer, add fade in animation again, and make the other words disappear, besides the word we want to show up. It's the most painful to do when your sentence have more than 6 words.
Bruh.
But never mind. Here is the quick result and the final Woodl text. I don't even know what to call it, just watch the preview. The text is expanding and has smooth animation. I'm going to show you guys the glow settings here too, so get ready and watch till the end. I will appreciate like and subscribe because it took me a pretty long time to create and upload this tutorial. Alright, let's continue. Start with creating a new project with a black background. Create a text layer. I have already shown you the settings. Besides glow. Set intensity to like 30 and range 80. After you have added the text layer, use expand out animation and make the text layer longer, according how long a part of the text you want to put into the edit. It has a point why we doing this in the whole new project, because we don't want our text to get expanded completely. That's why from the video we are going to cut the half of it, so the text in the video expand but not too wide. Go to your edit or another project, attach the overlay, head to splice and choose filter. Set up fade out animation. Then click on mask. Choose horizontal and copy my process. Select one of the graphs suggested by me and technically you are done. But if the text looks transparent, insert shadows by adding a text layer, setting up the text opacity to 0 and put shadows with opacity to 100, blur to 100 and distance 0. Change layer of the text so it's behind the overlay. Use type 2 in animation and fade out animation for the text, and we are done. This was 4 ways how to do viral Woodl text style, and this is just a Discord server you could join up. Royal Unit, the editing community with many editing resources every editor needs. Don't forget to visit us, or if you are having any trouble with this or any other editing issues, ask for help in there. Hope I helped you guys. Thanks for watching and for the support. What tutorial should I do next? Let me know.